Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri manhwa translator. Hey guys, good evening. Let me present to you the new manhwa titled Her Moonlight. Fu Xingyin and Fu Shiyu were originally a pair of lovers. They both studied at the same dance academy and announced their breakup without saying goodbye. For the next 4 years, Fu Shiyu kept looking for Lu Xingyin until one day on the dark stage of the bar, she saw Lu Xingyin who had changed her style and was dancing. After what happened in the fuss at the stadium, everyone was waiting for the announcement. Who was the winner? And who is the one who's getting the gold medal? The announcer said, "Next, let's announce the gold medal winners who stand out from the finals." A lot of people are waiting for the final announcement. Fu Shiyu, the performance dance, classical dance. Turns out it was Fu Shiyu who wins on that night. Looking at her, she looks really happy. Also, she looks really gorgeous. That costume. Singing, you see. She said to herself, "I am already good enough to win the gold medal in the national competition." So that she means that she really miss singing. Where are you now? Until now, she want to look for her. Well, after receiving the gold medal, people are getting loud. They're looking for her. Shiyu, everyone is rooting for her. After receiving the award, right now, the after party celebration. Fushiyu, she went to the bar. Well, maybe she just want to relax. Congratulations to our Xiaoyu for winning a gold medal again. Cheers everyone. Some of the girls, the friends, are really happy. Xiaoyu returned to Shenzhen next. Everyone is asking her, "Xiaoyu." There's no return. The new dance drama has settled in Haishi. Don't worry, my sister will protect you in Haishi from now on. It's up to you, miss. Oh, right now? Well, maybe. She was thinking something. It seems that she sees something right now. Well, it turns out it was the old photo. Shiyu, singing. 967. There was been no news from you. Yunsi advised me not to look for you. Oh, until now, she was still messaging, taking journal about senior, right? To her ex-girlfriend. She never received a reply in the past 4 years. Right now, Shiyu. She was feeling alone, only one to text. But until now, there was no reply from her. The ankle is swollen again and I'm tired of practicing dancing. Have fun with my friends, celebrating with champagne. Oh, until now, you singing really hope that you are here too. Where did you go? Shiyu, she was speaking to herself. Well, her situation is not getting good. 5 years ago, back to the fuss. Oh, it was late afternoon and Shiyu was walking outside. It was said that she wanted to win in the academy competition but it was brushed down. Shiyu, the sophomore, majoring in classic dance. That time, Shiyu said, "Always feels that I just go back." Well, what a little funny. When she was young, you shouldn't be found if you take a peek, right? Huh? Is anyone still practicing so late? Right now, Shiyu, she was really amazed by the performance. Sini, back then, she was really good at dancing. She really danced gracefully, with her feelings, every moment. Shiyu, she was really proud of Gu singing. Well, on that time, she really didn't expect that Gu singing will not stay up late. It's expected of the genius dancer who was selected during school. She's so powerful and so amazing. But she's getting closer and closer to his side. After noticing her, Gu singing right now, already see Shiyu. Shiyu, right then, she wanted to hide from singing and was asking herself if she really did see her. Well, what a funny gesture. It was so embarrassing. My limbs are not moving and I want to run away quickly. Pretended to be a cat meowing. Make her think it's just a wild cat passing by. Well, right now, for Shiyu. Singing was calling her. Now she can really deny herself. Turns out singing, you can already see her. She moved closer to her. Looking up right now, she can see singing is looking at her. Now, this is really getting serious. I remember you. I saw you today on primary's competition in the audience. Turns out, singing already noticed her. They hear it right. It said that Gu Singing, who is cold and unkind, took initiatives to speak to me. She still praises me but more confident about herself. Thank you for your encouragement, but I still fail to fast. The preliminaries may not be as good as you said. Singing said to herself, but the two of them. Chiyo said to her, put your hand to me. It was just a loss. I will give you some lucky with my own luck. Oh, right now. Singing seems that she was really a cool person. She moved closer to Shiyu on that time. Encounter at that moment. Oh, these two. The semblance of Miss Ku and Miss Su, right? Shiyu on that time. And come back to her senses right now. It really makes sense. Here, come, someone is on stage. I heard that today's dance is very beautiful and exciting. Oh, right now, she really caught her attention. Chiyu, she was looking on the stage. Light seems to be focusing on the person. The first appearance in front of her. Turns out, it was singing. The crowd stood off. Everyone is looking at her. Well, she really looks gorgeous. Everyone seems to focus on her. But it wasn't because I didn't know enough. That time, singing, she really looks gorgeous. Well, on that time, she really just knew so much. This is the underground dancer who dances in the various bar. Here we go, it dances well. Right, Shiyu seems to be focused. Singing, she was really dancing well. Singing, she was calling her. In her mind, she was really her ex-girlfriend. But does that make me crazy? I remember before, Sini is really a good dancer, but right now it turns out her change of style is really different from her dance major before, who's singing. No, she was wrong. It won't be hers. She won't dance this kind of dance in the underground bar. Well, right now, Shiyu. Although so, the body first bypassed the reason and made the decision. Maybe she really recognized her. I've been looking for you since you disappeared into the dance troupe. She moved closer to her. She is really singing. Finally, this time, can I find you? Well, she was really looking forward over it. Let's see what will happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!